So I am tired of this wig, so it is time to take it off. So I'm going to tell you 2 ways of how you can take off your wig. You can either use olive oil spray or simple water in a rag. I attached this wig with the Got2b glue. I think it was the yellow bottle. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure they work the same way. Got2b glue is just a hard shell. It's not a glue, so it comes off with water. And I spread it on, and then I laid it down on an elastic band, and I used the Got2b free spray on top of that. So it's time to take it off. So if you want to use water in a rag, you could really just stand under the sink or put your head under the sink and like dab water on it to take it off. Or you could take the rag and just moisten it up. You can also use some olive oil spray and spray it on. And you see it's lifting already. You can rub it in. I usually just rip mine off, which is not good. You really shouldn't. You just really shouldn't. But just be gentle. Voila! And it's off. Now I'm going to teach you how to clean the lace, all this nasty gookiness under it. Stay tuned. These are the 2 items that I use to clean my lace. I use the Iso Plus neutralizing shampoo and conditioner and an old toothbrush. Well, this is my hair toothbrush. I haven't tried this method with any other shampoo, only this neutralizing one so far, so I'm sticking with this one. But you can try another one to see if it works. So here's the lace after the Got2b glue. Yes, I used Got2b glue this time, but I've also used the Ghost Bond glue, and I used this method, and it worked just as well. So now I'm going to show you, I put the shampoo on top of the lace, and I'm going to start scrubbing it in. Sorry, I'm recording this by myself on a camera, so it's kind of hard to hold it and do both, but you get the point. You put the shampoo in, add some water, and scrub that bad boy. And when you're done scrubbing it all the way, that's when you rinse it out. So it should look like this. And it's okay if you didn't get everything off the first time. You can always go back and scrub again. So now we're just rinsing it off. It doesn't matter what temperature water. But you see now the Got2b glue has been removed. Most of it. So I'm still going to go in a second time to make sure most of it is removed. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with my lighting, but I'm just washing the closure. And I'm doing this with one hand, so. But you see, it's gone, it's clean. There's only a few little spots. Yes, I've seen it, and yes, I said I'm going in again. And this is how it looks dried. See? All the glue is gone just by using shampoo and a toothbrush. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!